Hello everyone, today I will share with you the recipe of waraq wine leaf or the grape leaf. This is the very special recipe, very famous in the Middle Eastern region. There is many different fillings in the different regions. You can get these are in any Middle Eastern and Turkish store. They usually sold in the jar or in the vacuum pack. Just clean it, drain and dry pat. Then you will take the rice mixture. We are using here the onion, tomato, parsley, mint leaves and molasses sauce, salt, pepper. These are the stuffing. We keep it ready. Then we are going to roll in the wine leaves. And I will highly recommend you guys to choose the tender and young wine leaves. The more younger and tender the leaves will be, after cooking it will be very soft, believe me. Continue rolling and tucking inside until you have the entire the roll the leaves. So now we are going to make the liquid for the wine leaf. We are going to cook in. So I am taking here tomato paste, white vinegar and molasses sauce. Now I am adding the sugar. So you just check the quantity in the description. We are adding also the lemon juice. To cook in a pot, we are going to layer the onions and potato. It will also help you to give the flavor in a wine leaf, and it will save from the burning from the bottom. You can also layer the lamb chops or any other meat in the base. So we are keep layering the onion and the potato. Later you can have it also. So keep layering the wine leaves in the spiral way until you will finish the wine leaf. At the end, just pour over the all liquid what you mixed before and cover it with the aluminium foil. So like this, you will keep it in the very slow fire about 40 to 60 minutes in the very low medium heat. So once it's cooked, we are going to remove it. Just be careful, it's very hot. When you mold it, just be careful. So after we removing from the pot, you can see it's totally cooked. Just garnish with fresh pomegranate, some lemon slices. Just enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you like the recipe, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, like and comment which recipe you want to see next. Thank you for watching guys. This is Chef Suraj